Hare Krishna. Let us continue with the day 5 Vyuha, the military formation from our last episode. The Pandava army suffers from Bhishma's attacks. Satyaki is being beaten by Drona, but Bhima drives by and rescues him. Arjuna kills thousands of soldiers sent by Duryodhana to attack him. Bhima engages Bhishma in a duel with no clear winner. Drupada and his son Shikhandi go to help Bhima, but they are stopped by Vikarna, one of Duryodhana's brothers, who attacks and injures them badly. On day 5, Makara Vyuha was formed by Kauravas and Siena Vyuha from Pandavas. Siena is hawk formation to counter the Kauravas. Bhima stood at the mouth of the formation with Arjuna at the neck, followed by the rest of the warriors. As soon as the battle started, Bhima led his troops and smashed open the Kaurava formation. Bhishma then attacked Bhima, and Arjuna came to his brother's defense. A terrible battle raged between Bhishma and Arjuna. Drona launched his attack on the Pandavas, but Satyaki stopped him. Shikhandi attacked Bhishma. See my previous episodes to know the story about Shikhandi. He attacked Bhishma by remembering he was Amba in his last birth. Arjuna had fierce battle with Bhishma, Jayadratha, Dushasana, and other Kaurava warriors. Ashwathama hit hundreds of arrows on Arjuna and Krishna. But Arjuna spared him as he was his teacher Drona's son. Satyaki and Bhurishrava killed opponent charioteers. Bhima came to Satyaki's help and took him away in his chariot. Duryodhana sent 25,000 powerful soldiers. Effortlessly, Arjuna killed them. As the sun set, Bhishma blew conch, and two sides returned to their respective camps. Moral is, killing does not happen after we lit lamp in the evening. Let us know about the Shena formation. It is divine hawk identified with Agni, who ascends to heaven for bringing Soma, that is nectar, to the earth, with intention of rejuvenating and revitalizing all things that exist on earth. Shena becomes Garuda, the vehicle of Lord Vishnu, which is mentioned in Adi Purana, who got Amrita from heaven at the behest of Kadru, the mother of serpents and a co-wife of Rishi Kashyapa. Please watch my previous episodes. Let us see the day 6 of Kurukshetra war. Drona kills many Pandava soldiers, and both armies' formations are broken. It was Makaravyuha from Pandavas and Kraunchavyuha from Kauravas. Bhima penetrates the Kaurava formation and attacks Duryodhana, who is defeated but rescued. The Upapandavas, that is, sons of Draupadi, fight against Ashwathama and destroy his chariot. As we have been seeing Makaravyuha, the meaning is disposition of an army in the shape of a shark or crocodile. This is said as opposite of Varahavyuha. What is this Varahavyuha? It is array of army arranged to be narrow in front and rear,
an array
and thick and extended in the middle.
Warriors and
We should
weaponry
understand
into a specific
Vyuha
arrangement
based on the demands of battle. The types of Vyuha used depends on the anticipated attack. Let us continue the Kurukshetra war. Please subscribe and share it to others. Have a good day. Hare Krishna.